how you can archive a chat on your WhatsApp. Now this is a really simple a trick to do, and you can use this whenever you want. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us just start. First, open up your WhatsApp. Now after you open your WhatsApp, just find the chat that you want to archive. Now you can see the archive option right on the top, and you can see all the chats that I've archived. Now to put the chats in the archive, all you need to do is just tap on that chat and slide it on the left. Now after you do that, there you'll see the more option and archive option. Just tap on the archive option and it will just get archived. Now open it up. There you can see all the archive text. Now you can unarchive this by just tapping on the edit and selecting it, and you can unarchive it all together, or all you need to do is just pull it on the side and just tap on unarchive. Now you can do this one by one, or you can do this by whole by just selecting it all. So that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.